Life isn't always about big adventures. Sometimes, the most meaningful memories come from the simplest moments. Today, I'm spending a relaxing day at the park with my mom as we set up our tent, enjoy a picnic, and simply spend quality time together. Come along and make memories with us from Canada to the world.
Timmy, excuse. Ka. Mag-assemble kami ng tent, guys.
Correct. Sana yung pangbukas. Cute ngayon ang ano namin, ang tent. Come on. Yeah, tama. Ng ano ha? Tent.
Budol
Ah,
fight
ganda.
is ready.
Yeah, first, Budol fight sa Polo Park.
Sa Sinaboy Park.
Ay, Polo Park. Mall pala yun. Sinabuyan Park. We are two of us and Timmy. Plus Timmy. Hello guys. What's up? I sat out.
Let's eat pancit. Kain tayo, guys. Hindi tayo sa pagkain natin.
Kain tayo.
Ang sarap ng
No,
mangamang.
pag pumili ka, wag yung may itim sa, ano, balat yun ang may itim sa loob. The best. Sarap. Sausawan. Sarap sausawan.
Barbecue. Gutom.
Ayan guys, budol fight. Budol fight ba yun? Oh. Dalawa lang kami. Anak ko maganda. Plus Timmy. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh. Good.
Pang.
Anghang?
Sarap.
Sarap no? May dinuguan. At saka pansit, Pilipinong-Pilipino.
Lumpia at saka barbecue.
Lumpiang gulay.
Hindi na ano yung lumpiang kulang. Ang hanga lang.
Ano, sarap.
Anong insinawsaw mo? Yung ano?
Lumpia.
Ito. Gusto ko ito.
Ba?
Sarap. Sarap. Pero masarap yung ano, mangga.
Meron naman laman eh. Naawa.
Busog na ako. Ang sarap ng mangga.
Sarap.
Timmy.
Kasi mukha ko. Di ba madali lang at dito? Bakit ko nga? Saan man talaga ako dito? Paring na talaga.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed our relaxing picnic and quality time together. Remember, you don't need a big adventure to make special memories. Our adventures don't stop here. Next, we're going glamping in Kenora. And in just 2 months, we'll be exploring Korea. We cannot wait to share those experiences with you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is Aprilyn from Canada to the world. See you in the next adventure. Bye!